Imagine controlling a fitness tracker, a smart thermostat, or even your car from your smartphone. How? With Bluetooth Low Energy, or also known as BLE. It's all possible. But what does it take to make this work, especially if you're developing an IoT device? Today I'll walk you through the essentials of BLE and app integration for IoT devices, breaking down what non-technical founders need to know to bring their IoT product ideas to life. Hi there, I'm Sahil Bora, a software engineer based in Melbourne, Australia, with over 5+ years of industry experience, specialising in developing mobile apps that integrate with embedded devices. So what is BLE? Bluetooth Low Energy is a wireless technology specifically designed for low power consumption. Unlike traditional Bluetooth, BLE is optimized for short bursts of data transfer, making it ideal for battery-powered IoT devices such as smartwatches, fitness trackers, or remote sensors. BLE's low energy consumption makes it perfect for devices that need to stay on for long periods without draining the battery. It's widely compatible with both iOS and Android, making it a go-to option for IoT integrations with mobile apps. So how does BLE work with IoT devices? So firstly, we have pairing and connection. BLE devices generally don't stay connected continuously. Instead, they establish a connection when they need to transfer data, and this makes it ideal for battery-saving applications. Then we have data transmissions through the GATT, also known as the Generic Attribute Profile. BLE uses the GATT protocol to structure and exchange data. Devices have services, broad categories like heart rate or battery level, and characteristics, which are specific data points within those categories like the current heart rate. And then we have the range and limitations. So BLE is designed for cross-range connections, typically up to 100 meters. It is excellent for nearby connections, but it's not the right solution for a long-distance application. BLE is efficient, but it has its limitations. Understanding this will help you set realistic expectations for your app and device capabilities. But the key challenges in BLE and app integration in your IoT device and app isn't just about coding. It requires attention to several challenges, which includes compatibility, as Android and iOS handle BLE differently. So testing on both platforms it is essential to ensure a seamless user experience across devices. And we also have the power management. So BLE's low energy capabilities are a huge plus, but inefficient code can still drain the battery. Developers should always optimize data transmission frequency and duration to preserve the power. And connection issues. BLE connections can be disrupted by physical obstacles and other wireless signals. And also regarding security, BLE connections can be vulnerable to interference, so it is essential to implement encryption and other security measures to protect the user data in the app. So to design a user-friendly BLE experience for a seamless BLE experience, you should prioritize the user experience design and reliability. And also with the connection process, you have to make sure that the app's interface guides are easy for the user to understand through pairing. Consider adding in a help section if your product is for non-tech savvy users. And also, users will also need to know whether they're connected or not, so providing visual or auditory feedback in the app can also improve the user experience. And if the connection is lost, the app should automatically attempt to reconnect or notify the user. These small design choices can make a big difference in how your users experience your product. So, choosing the right developer partner for developing an IoT app with BLE integration requires specific skills. You should look for developers with BLE experience, and they should have an understanding and have some experience regarding working with GATT profiles, characteristics, and services. And since BLE works differently on both Android and iOS, your developers should know how to implement and test on both of these different platforms. So by understanding these fundamentals of Bluetooth Low Energy from this video and integrating it in your IoT product, you can be able to make an informed decision and steer your app towards success. And if you need help implementing BLE connectivity in your app, click on the link below to book a free consultation with me, and we can discuss how I can implement Bluetooth Low Energy connection to your app and bring your idea to life. Thank you so much for watching, and if this video has helped you out, smash that like button down below, and I'll see you in the next video.